Hello, and welcome to a random village I found in the middle of nowhere, where I spray paint cars, make a pretty cool sign, and get kidnapped by the mafia. I hope you enjoyed this video of me playing cheap car repair, and see me enjoying a mechanic game for once. We start off with a cutscene. And just like that, we spawn out of nowhere in front of our project car.
No i co trąbi, nie pali się?
Where we meet a client by the name of Sebastian Salones. Get rid of rust, paint the car in the color green. Polish the car. Okay. So this would be the first car that I would be working on in the game. Mission on the right. Information about the current job. Oh yes, I do see this. I can't do any of that. Afterward, I got to experience my favorite part in the game. Afterward, I was able to spray paint the car. Oh, shibby. Nah, this is very realistic. I'm liking this. Alrighty. After finishing what I needed to do, I decided to call the man to get his car. $30. Yes.
Aj, zajebiście. Odcięli mi prąd. Czyli jednak nie blefowali z tym wezwaniem do zapłaty.
Apparently my power went out, so I needed to go to my neighbors and steal his power. But let's just say I'm the worst technician that ever lived.
Tak pachnie darmowy prąd.
Wait, what? What am I looking at here? See, I didn't even know what I was looking at. I knew I was fried, but eventually I would find out how to fix this wiring problem. Red, yellow.
Elegancko, żeby tylko sąsiad się nie kapnął.
Oh my god. Afterward, I decided to work on the car a little bit to make it look nice. What? When I found out that your parts in the game that you work with for your cars could actually break. Fuck. So after putting a new one, I kept on working on the car a little bit more. Afterward, I finally finished and put the spray paint back in the garage. Oh, I did it. Nice. And now, I needed to put a name on my sign to make my place look nice. Which I went with Dirty Workshop. Yes. We gotta paint it. After painting the sign, I went to my new client. Hey, Blonde is blonde. She'll agree to a turn. Okay, I can't speak. Anyways, can I get that number? No? Fuck you. After being rejected, I decided to work on the car. Wow, way more better than my summer car. Jesus. What? Alrighty. Oh, convenient placed tire. Okay. Which one is negative? Personally, I don't care, so we're gonna... Why would I even have a battery outside? Okay. Alright. Pick up a beer. Beer! I was able to drink beer for the first time in the game. Nice. All of that for in. Bro. Steal the air fryer. Nah. I found out that you can steal clients' parts and replace them with something stupid. After finishing the car, I told her to get her car. Yes. Then finally, another client came by to my workshop. Okay. Then I started working on his car. Alright. We got work in here. Oh, we gotta take this. Remove the timing belt. Okay, I should just remove it. Oh my god. What? I should have just read the instructions, bro. I put that thing in there. Oh. Afterward, I was finally done with the job. What? Client has no idea what the sloppy job he made. Time for some spring cleaning. Let's carry out the unnecessary boxes. Oh, I didn't even get to read that. Who's calling?
Daj mi go do telefonu. Halo, dlaczego mój samochód zgasł na pierwszym zakręcie po wyjechaniu z twojego
I realized I fucked with the wrong guy, and he realized that I did a poor job on his car. Okay, can I put it in here? Oh, nice. I can actually put stuff in here. Alright, let me put some parts in here. Oh, I found the other wrench. Oh, this is my wrench, but I found the other one over here. In retaliation of fucking up his car, he decided to kidnap me.
No, na co się gapicie? Pakować go do bagażnika. Teraz zobaczy, co to znaczy zajść mi za skórę mechanik od 7 boleści. Oj, nie zaziera się z Jarzyną.
Afterward, I woke up in a trunk.
Jest.
No nie pali, no.
Kurwa, widzę, że nie pali. Cholera jasna, Jarzyna nas zabije. Dopiero co był z nim u mechanika.
I got lucky and the car broke down.
Gruchota jest. Trzeba naprawić tego gruchota.
A że co, ja?
Nie kurwa, ja. Bierzesz się do roboty, czy wolisz go dopchać do Jarzyny?
No, skoro tak z tego.
Then I started working on the car. After filling up the car, they decided to let me go, and I stole a kid's bike.
Oh
Tutaj my
shit!
idziemy znowu.
Here we go
Co?
again.
Nie wiem, dlaczego to powiedziałem. Chyba mi się mózg zresetował potem w pierdol.
No, my bike! My bike! Okay. It's stuck. Okay.
Zaraz. Aż takiego syfu to ja nie zostawiłem. No i wszystko jasne. Robota karku wierzyny. Już widzę, że narzędzia rozkradli. Kaser pewnie też zajebali. Zobaczmy, czy coś się stało.
Oh my god. They decided to fuck up the place that I worked so hard for.
No dobrze, dobrze. Punkt dla ciebie. Przechytrzyłeś tych głąbów. Nie myśl jednak, że to koniec. W najbliższym czasie spodziewaj się małej wizyty.
No, jest strasznie, jest strasz, bo się...
Coś ty powiedział?
A nic, coś przerywa, do widzenia.
After that call, I got a new client. Philip Windshield Master replaced steering wheel, replaced our air filter, and started working on the car. Car mechanic made this game. I don't. Nah, am I dead ass putting a spawn in here? I don't want to risk it. No, I'm not risking that. Place the air filter. Nah, I'm actually using this. Nah. But then I needed to go on a trip to get a new steering wheel. Away? Well, I'm not going away.
Jeśli coś jest dostatecznie okrągłe, to znaczy, że może być kierownicą.
Go. I need to get rid of rust. Oh my. And I made one fatal mistake. Oh no. So instead of putting it into the windshield washer, I accidentally put it in the coolant. Look, the bottles in the car mechanic simulator look similar, okay? So don't even judge me. I mean, bro, okay, I'm used to the car mechanic, bro. That looked like, okay, I don't know, bro. What was even wrong with me? Oh, hell no. After a long time, I told the guy to get his car. Please. Yes.
W tobie się zakochałem. W tobie się zakochałem.
Let's go. Okay. Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed me playing Cheap Car Repair. It was a lot of fun, and I think it's one of the greatest mechanic games I've played in a while. You can wishlist the game on Steam right now, even though it's gonna release tomorrow. Have a good one, and have a great day.